Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. If you're new here, welcome. Let's jump right into it. This is the foundation that I use. And of course, I'll leave everything I used here down in the description box. If your skin is nice or you want to have a more natural look and not use foundation and concealer, then you can skip to this part of the video. Along with that, if you have a nice sun-kissed golden tan look too, and you don't really want to add too much to your overall look already, then you can skip to this part of the video. This is the concealer that I use. I didn't realize it until after I was done with this look, but you actually don't really need concealer at all because you'll end up covering it, as you'll see later on in the video. This is the bronzer that I use. If you don't already have that nice golden tan, then this is your ticket to achieving that look. Here's my brow pencil. Maybe it's a beginner thing, but doing my brows is the most time consuming when doing my makeup. Hopefully I get better and quicker as the time goes by. To be citing a wildcard means to take control with the Morphe palette. Here you will want to apply the product very gently and lightly as if you're barely putting any on for a more natural look. I was literally shook that you're just kidding from the James Charles X Morphe palette. Use this as your blush. It's okay if the blush looks too much because you'll be going over it in a bit with bronzer. Therefore, you'll still want to maintain that flush look even after a bit of bronzer on top. go grab your tea, also from the James Charles X Morphe palette. Here you'll want to use a liner brush or something similar to do the freckles. It's okay to make the freckles look darker because you'll tap them with your fingers in a bit to soften them. Here we're using our fingers to tap the product to soften it and for it to sink in for a more natural look. Now we're going to top it off with the same bronzer as before, but apply it lightly for your freckles to look more natural. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed, then please hit that like button and also consider subscribing down below. I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.